damn it's cold. I hate winters, but the one thing I love about winters is adventure, winter adventures. So right now we are going to Wisconsin to do some skiing and snowboarding. My skis on, my jacket on, my helmet, time to ski. Woohoo! Woohoo! This is hot. Nikki, why are you walking like that? Why are you walking like a drunk person?
Because I'm drunk.
These people are learning skiing for the first time and I'm teaching them. This is her first time.
This is my first time.
Hey Nikki, how did you even got stuck? Guys, how do you feel?
I'm like minding
Why you sound like that? I've been doing skiing from morning. Now I think I have to try some snowboarding. I don't have much experience in snowboarding, so probably I'm gonna fall a lot. A lot. Yo,
How does your butt looking?
I think it's becoming a flatbread.
Flatbread butt.
Alright, this ends our journey. We had an amazing time. I didn't actually expect Sid and Nikki.
I'm here.
Sid and Nikki to do pretty well. They really improved. It was their first time and I did learn a little bit of more snowboarding. Until next time, see you.
Bye.